Sierra Nevada, March 21st. 15-foot snowbanks, side of the road. Crawling back to the Bay Area. Beautiful up here. Giant snowbanks. Starting to snow a little bit. Look at the giant. Look at this, Leah. Yep. Huge snowbanks. With storms expected all week, I think that the water is fine for the year here. Just saw a wreck. Look at this thing. Look at that little cutout. Good grief. Exit closed up here. Got the rattle of the chains. Like driving in a snow cave. Start heading down right now.